Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing. And today, guys, I got this right here, and this is a watch, a white watch, and I can't pronounce the name, but I'm gonna give you the name and give you the details. Then I'll let you see how it looks when we do the unboxing. Now, this is going to cost you $24.98, and the brand is CNBRO, CNBRO Men's Watch White. Okay, so let's give you some of the details while we're already sitting here. It's an analog digital quartz, battery powered, water resistant, depth up to 50 meters. That's what it says. Multi sport running. So it says it's waterproof up to 50 meter. So white, black, adult. That's about it, guys. So, again, this is going to cost you, what, $24.98. So that's not very expensive for a watch, guys. So without further ado, let's get to the eagle eye view. Hey guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. We're in the eagle eye view, and this is how it came, guys. I was kind of mad because it came like that. So let's get it up. So this is how it looks. Nothing else in the box. So now that's how it looks. Now I'm gonna tell you, it looked better in the actual picture. Nothing else in there. You can always keep this, put some nails or something in there. Let's go ahead and get it out. And now we have the come on. Why can't I get it out? So we have the actual how to set the time and stuff, and most likely it's in about 18 different languages. So please don't throw this away. This will help you set the alarm, set the time, and all that stuff. So this is how it looks, guys. It looks okay. Okay, now we're getting closer. Let's get closer to it, guys. We got a little closer to it. We got this plastic thing on the back. Take that off. All right, there we go. So that's how it looks. Okay, looks a little bit better. We have buttons right here. No buttons on this side. This is rubber, not leather. All right, so we're gonna see how do we. Okay, that does work. Okay, where's the light at? Okay, where is the light on this? Oh, there we go. So you have to hold it down. Hey guys, the back light is this bottom one down here. So you can see that's how the back light looks. So it doesn't look all that bad. So you can put the date here, and you have to, like I say, I have to figure it out from the actual instructions. Sorry guys, got tongue tied a little bit. So I think it's okay. Let's compare it to the Navi. Everybody, you can see this is the Navi Force, genuine leather. This is going to run you $36, and this is going to run you $24. And for $10 more, roughly $10, $11 more, you get a leather band. I think this one looks better than this one. Don't get me wrong. This is starting to grow on me. You can see that. And then you can look at, whereas you have more buttons here to do more stuff with. So you can see that. And, you know, I think this one is a better all-filling watch here. So I like the Navi Force better than this one right here. In a way, don't get me wrong, this one is starting to grow on me, guys. But just have Yeah, no, that's it. Yeah, it does. Has a coating on it. Let me get this all. Sorry, guys. I realize. So as you can see, I think I like this one better. I think I like this one better, guys. But don't get me wrong. This one is starting to grow on me. It looks better now that I got it totally out. But you be the judge. Which one do you think is better? I think this one's still better for $10 more. You know, get the leather band. You know, don't get me wrong. You change the band. I think this one. Guys, I forgot to say we're going to go ahead and weigh it. See how much it weighs. So we're gonna go ahead with 9. You can see that's 100 grams, and then you have this one right here, which is 75 grams. So this is 25 grams lighter. So just let you know, this is 25 grams lighter. So that's pretty good. It ain't gonna make your one arm get bigger than the other because it weighs too much. God, this is how it looks when it's on. Okay. So I don't think it looks bad. It's pretty comfortable. Pretty comfortable. So that's how it looks while it's on. You can make it as tight or loose as you want it. Pretty good. All right, guys, so why don't we go ahead and get to the regular view, give my final thoughts, and giving this puppy a grade. Yo, I'm back to give my final thoughts and give the CNBRO, CNBRO, a grade. Now, guys, for $24.49 or 99 cents, I think it's a decent watch. I still like the Navi Force better, but it's growing on me. It is growing on me. Now, one thing I would tell you guys, if you want to use the alarm clock and use all that, please read the instructions. Setting the time on here was a little bit easier because all you have to do is just push the bottom button, this one here, hold it down, and it'll let you go through the different, to set the time, to set the date, to set the minutes. And so I did that. That was, intuitive. Well, not intuitive, easy. It was easier than it was on this one right here. So guys, let me let you know, this one was easy to set the time on. But guys, overall, I think it's worth the $24.49. I'm going to give this a C+. I still think it looks decent. I thought it looked better. To me, it looks better in the picture than it actually did, in real life. Do I like? I think it's decent for like a everyday or once in a while. Something you want to match your watch with your clothing. Hey, this is it's not the top tier, but it will do the job. And again, they do have different colors: black, blue. I think they have red, they have gray, they have different colors. So just hit the link in the bottom. In the comment section, see if you want to, maybe you want to buy this. You don't want to buy it. I don't know. I think it's a decent watch. Is it worth $24.49? I think it's worth that. Now, I don't know. I don't dive, so I don't know how waterproof this is. So if it says it goes up down to 50 meters, maybe it does, maybe it don't. But at $24.49, if it conks out on me, I can get another one. All right, guys. So I'm going to give it a C+. I'm going to give it a C+. It is worth the price. I will give it a C+. So if you want to go ahead and get you something like this, go ahead and hit the link in the description above. It'll take you right there. Hey guys, before we go, please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Again, I'm going to say this. Please like, share, and subscribe. Anytime you share it, you like it, it lets YouTube know, hey, more people like it. It'll send it out to send it out further into the algorithm. All right, guys. Again, I'm gonna say this. I don't know who manufactured this. I know who's selling it. And sometimes what they'll do, one manufacturer will make a bunch of these, and different people will sell them. Okay, so you might find this on different website. Being offered by different companies. Just let you know that. So once again, guys, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Ted. Thank you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video. Guys, we got more unboxing coming soon. So do me a favor, just hit that notification bell icon, wherever it is on your screen, so you'll be notified anytime we drop a new video. You have a good day. Peace.